My buddy Steel Rocket is an incredible spearfisher, and he brought us a lionfish, which is a really cool fish. Jocelyn's gonna tell you all about it.
The lionfish, ferocious, venomous, and an extremely destructive species that have invaded our coral reefs. This fish was unknown to the Americas 40 years ago and have multiplied at a rate that's almost unheard of in marine history. Females can lay 30,000 eggs every few days. That's 2 million eggs annually. They will eat and starve out native species, with their stomachs being able to expand 30 times its normal size after eating a meal, making this invasive species extremely frightening. Lionfish are one of the most prominent and concerning invasive species to affect not only the Florida Keys, but many other marine ecosystems around the world in recent decades. Both scientists and fishermen agree that the only way to keep the invasion in check is to start killing these top predators.
That's a nice size one.
It's a fat one. It's trimmed, but still watch yourself.
Luckily, they have a delicious flavor and can be sold as an exotic delicacy, so no fish goes to waste.
The big grouper in here, I was just showing them right here.
Oh yeah?
You should look at this
I'm
group.
not trying to climb up on your truck. That's a big boy. That's a big group.
Aha.
If you have the will and a moment to spare, it's a beautiful world out there. It's a beautiful world out there.
Guessing it's full of eggs. Or other fish. Pretty detrimental like that.
You were saying there's not much blood in them.
Yeah, there's like no blood. So.
It's pretty clean to...
Like tunas you bleed out and all that, you ain't gotta worry about that with these guys. You see they have venomous spines, but these ones are all soft. They only have pectoral fins are venomous. These last two ones here.
Oh, I
These
thought they were...
anal fins are venomous. And the dorsal fins.
Oh, really?
It looks like you already cut them off.
Yeah, no, they mostly cut off for sure.
What happens if you stab yourself?
I've been hit about 8 times. It gets better every time. Like some people, of course, are allergic to it, but it seems like your body builds an immunity to it. It just throbs for a while.
Toxins.
Yeah.
Yeah, but some people, yeah, I've had buddies that get really hurt from it. Everyone's different about it. Start seeing how white these midges is here.
Just a quick shout out to our buddy Steel Rocket. Go check out his YouTube channel where you can watch him spearfish. I'll put a link in the description below.
Yeah, gorgeous fish. Is there a lot of them around here?
Oh yeah, there's a lot. This is the bigger one.
I'm surprised
Yeah.
how big he is. Yeah.
Yeah, you don't see much bigger than this one usually. I see a lot, I just don't have enough time to shoot them down there because I'm hunting groupers, and one grouper is equal to, more of these. Even though these are delicious and I rather eat them than groupers, it's just people, in the market rather have one big fish to fillet considering how many people they gotta feed,
Yeah.
But when I take a fish home to eat, this is what I take home. Put it
Nice.
that way, and I have my pick from all the fish.
Nice.
It's actually the same price as grouper whole.
Yeah.
It's just, well, groupers weighs a lot more. It's not made to feed a lot of people. I actually like filleting these things. People worry about the spines while they're filleting it, but I think they're really easy to fillet. Already almost done.
Pretty easy.
Yeah. They cut really easy and they're not very bloody. Delicious. This one, I thought he had more in his belly. I think it's actually, this is a male and it looks like it has sperm here, so it looks like it's ready to spawn. That's probably why it was bloated. What I do a lot of times personally with fish is I like good fish like this. When it's really, really fresh, which this one still is, but like even the first, second day, say it's like the third day, but you could still do it. Either you can do, completely raw, or you could Basically you could bread it and either bake it or fry it, or you could just put it on the skillet, saute it. There's so many options, you know.
Yeah.
Just giving you them all, basically whatever you want to do with it. You really can't mess a fish like this up. Like I said, even raw it tastes good.
You have any customers that you mail these to?
No, because I'm the source that I don't have time to mail. As in, like, I get them, sell them, go back out, you know.
Nice.
But I do sell to people that do ship them out, you know.
Oh yeah?
Eating Street Seafood, Key West.
Okay.
They actually have local fish. A lot of these places say local fish. It's from Mexico and stuff a lot of times. Yep, and then that's that.
After a quick rinse in salt water, our fillets were ready to go. Nick and I decided to bread our lionfish tonight, so we're going to bread it up and fry it. So I'm just flouring it here. I'm going to dip it in an egg wash and then the breadcrumbs. Yeah, this isn't a very wet fish. It had no moisture and it's actually like ideal. It's crazy. And
I'm so happy. This is great. What are you doing?
I'm recording you bread this fish and you're back here like, this is great! King of the world! We moved back in the house today, guys. Nick's excited. We have elbow room. Move that out of the way. Dinner's ready.
Wow. Thanks, Steele. Appreciate you, buddy. That was a good bit.
The bread is the way to go.
Mm-hmm.
It cooked up like nicer than any other fish I ever did.
So good. Mmm. Oh, amazing.
Oh yeah, lots of clouds.
After indulging on a scrumptious meal, it was time to head out for an evening in our beautiful backyard. Living in the Florida Keys these past 2 years and having its backcountry as our backyard has been a daily blessing. Each day, we have the privilege of immersing ourselves in one of the most stunning landscapes on Earth. Here, we love to relax amongst the tapestry of mangroves, seagrass beds, and tranquil waters. It offers us a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. It's a place where time seems to slow down, allowing us to reconnect with the natural world and find peace in its rhythm. One of the day's best moments is taking the short 5-minute ride to witness the sunset every evening. As the sun dips below the horizon, the sky transforms into a canvas of vibrant oranges, pinks, and purples, reflecting off the calm waters. It's a sight that never fails to inspire awe and gratitude. A daily spectacle that reminds us of the beauty and wonder that surrounds us. The gentle lapping of the water against the boat, the cool breeze on our skin, and the colors dancing across the sky create a sense of tranquility that is unmatched. As we sit on the calm waters, watching the seabirds glide effortlessly just above the waterline, there's a profound sense of peace. The world feels right in these moments, simple and harmonious. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing so you'll never miss another episode. And we'll see you next Tuesday for another adventure.